Welcome to the Carlmont Biotechnology 1-2 Open House presentation. I'm Miss Leslie Burndon, and you'll also hear from Dr. Tyler Kochel. We are the two teachers who teach this class at Carlmont. The biotechnology class at Carlmont is a CTE class, meaning it is a career and technical education preparation course. This class integrates technical subject-specific skills along with preparation for post-secondary education and career paths. This is also a dual enrollment class, so in partnership with Skyline Community College, students receive college credit for completing the course requirements of this class. Biotechnology is a lab skills class, and you may be wondering, how did we manage to make a lab skills course work online? We were extremely fortunate to partner with Skyline Community College, as well as many students and parent volunteers, to create at-home lab kits for students to do some of these key labs in their own homes. We also created video lab demonstrations with detailed instructions for each lab activity. We've been using online simulations for reinforcement and for labs that can't be covered at home. We use recorded lectures through Edpuzzle, and we use composition notebooks just as in a real scientific lab. We have also, of course, been able to make many connections to the COVID-19 pandemic, talking about how biotech has been involved in solutions. Here is just a small glimpse of some of the student lab results from some of the home labs that we were able to do this year. Students were able to culture microbes on Petri plates that they poured themselves in their own homes. They were able to extract the enzyme bromelain from pineapple and test its effectiveness on gelatin. They were also able to test the activity of their own human salivary amylase from their saliva. Students also extracted DNA from wheat germ and were able to use an antibody simulation to determine pet allergies, as well as a number of other skills-based labs.
Hi, as a CTE course, right, Career and Technical Education, this semester we've been leaning in a little bit more on the soft skills or transferable skills that are applicable in many career fields, as well as post-secondary education, right? Each class we're sort of previewing or talking about each of the soft skills here on this slide and how it might be important for the students in high school, in post-high school life, and eventually a career, right? All of these skills are important in many careers. For our in-person or concurrent class model, right, we have several students in the classroom, and then the rest of the students are still at home on computers. Everybody is accessing the class through Zoom. All the instruction is through Zoom. But in-class students are able to obtain some individual but still distant support, right? I can shout across the room to help somebody. But then also they have some opportunities to socialize, right, from a distance, right? There's only several students in class, but given some individual work time, they can actually talk about some of the class material. So what's left for this year? We have the rest of the fourth quarter is focusing on DNA uses and analysis in biotech. We've established a new sort of mini unit on DNA forensics and the forensics analysis to solve a sort of mini whodunit mystery. We are also going to be having several activities that talk about recombinant DNA technology in order to produce proteins such as insulin, right? That's one of the sort of major proteins that is made by recombinant DNA technology. In May, there will be a soft skills project where students will pick one of those 20 soft skills, creatively portray it and how they have already used it or seen it used in their lives, whether that's through schoolwork, sports, part-time jobs, or anything else. Okay. At the end of April, we have our lab kit return, the 28th. That's a Wednesday from 11 to 1. An email has been sent out and directions are on Canvas for the students. All right. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, please send Ms. Burndon or myself an email.